you ever wondered how to make money online through affiliate marketing? Well, ponder no more. Today, we delve into the lucrative and accessible world of affiliate marketing, a sphere where you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Firstly, it's essential to understand what affiliate marketing is all about. It's a process where you promote products or services from other companies. When someone makes a purchase or completes a certain action through your referral link, you earn a commission. This can be done through various platforms such as blogs, social media, YouTube, or email marketing. It all starts with choosing a niche, a critical step in your affiliate marketing journey. Your chosen niche should be something you're passionate about, profitable, and ideally less competitive. While popular niches can be tempting, they often come with higher competition. Next, you'll need to find affiliate programs to join. Many companies offer their own affiliate programs, like Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network, and Shopify Affiliate Program. Alternatively, you could join affiliate networks like ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate, which provide access to multiple affiliate programs in one place. Content creation comes next, and it's important to remember that content is king in affiliate marketing. You'll need to create valuable, engaging, and relevant content that attracts your target audience. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. Driving traffic to your content is crucial. This can be done through search engine optimization, social media marketing, or even paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook ads. Building trust and credibility with your audience is another key factor to your success. This can be achieved by promoting products you believe in and have tested, being transparent about your affiliate relationships, and focusing on providing value to your audience rather than just selling to them. To ensure your efforts are yielding results, it's important to analyze and optimize your performance. Tools like Google Analytics and affiliate dashboards can help you track your traffic sources, conversion rates, and revenue. Once you've found a formula that works, it's time to scale your efforts. This could involve creating more content, diversifying your traffic sources, or even building a team to help grow your business. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a highly rewarding way to earn money online if done correctly. By choosing the right niche, creating quality content, driving traffic, and building trust, you can find success in this lucrative field. Remember, consistency and persistence are key to long-term success. Happy marketing!